Welcome back to my series Aperitif in Pairs, where I make nibbles and drinks that work really well together. This week it's a bit of an obvious one, but that doesn't make it any less delicious. I've got some fried calamari with a red pepper aioli and pairing it, of course, with a nice crisp dry white wine. As you can see, the dip is super quick and easy to make. I'm pimping up some shop-bought aioli with 1 jarred red pepper, a teaspoon of mustard and some salt and pepper. If you can't find aioli, then just use mayo and add half a clove of garlic and a squeeze of half a lemon. Now for the calamari, I'm using chipirons, which are these tiny squids you find in the southwest of France, usually in the freezer section. But if you can't get hold of those, then some squid rings will work really well. And then I'm using a classic breading method of panure à l'anglaise. So you've got 1 bowl of flour, 1 bowl of beaten eggs, and 1 bowl of breadcrumbs. And just to spice things up a little, I've added some tahini to the breadcrumbs and some pepper. Coat the squids generously in each and we're ready to fry. So I've got a litre of vegetable oil and getting it up to 180 degrees. If you don't have a thermometer, then just drop in a little breadcrumbs, and if it fizzes, bubbles straight away, then it's ready to go. Take them out when they're a beautiful golden brown and sprinkle on some salt and lemon juice. Now, I know it's obvious, but it's a classic for a reason. You just can't beat fish and a dry white wine. So I'm pairing this aperitif with a dry white wine. Sue me, it works, it's delicious. I've gone for an affordable Sauvignon Blanc, firstly because I really enjoy it, but secondly because it's got some citrusy and mineral notes which will go really well with the fattiness and fishiness of our calamari. As always, I hope you enjoyed this video, and please make sure to like and subscribe for more every week.